Hey everyone, it's time to relax. Come glue book with me. Hello, I'm Jennifer. Thank you for stopping by Scrapbooks and Memories. I'm super excited to be doing episode 2 of my new series, Collage Glue Book. And I've been so busy this month that I'm so ready to get started on a new page. So this was the first page we did. And I don't think I'm going to be collaging on the backs. I think I'm just going to be collaging on the fronts. And I have my little bin here full of images. I even put some collage fodder, magazine images. And we are just going to, I'm looking away and I'm going to pull out a stack. Set this aside. Ooh, and let's see what we have to work with today. We have this. Ooh, this is fun. Now I don't have to use all of these. Definitely want to do these two maybe. I see a page coming together already. That there. Maybe we're having some Coca-Cola. Oop, go back there. Okay. Ooh, see? I'm already liking this. What else we have? We have sunglasses, some candy wrappers. Those might be fun. I'll take out a couple of those. I already have a big flower. I'm not going to use that one. Ooh, maybe a puppy. Ooh, I kind of like him right there. That's cute. Oh, and then we have her. I'm digging her too. And I have some fodder. What is this? This is not supposed to be in there. We have a coffee pot. More little flowers. What's this? Some blue. I'm going to put her somewhere too. Maybe we stick her back here. Maybe, oh crap, she might be too big. Or maybe we take the dog out from here. Put her down here. Maybe let's stick the puppy over here. Move that around. I like him right here. Okay, so I'm kind of digging this. Okay, so let's start gluing what we have down so far. This page first. I'm gonna try to leave remember to leave some of the top knot with glue on it, so I could slip this image under it. So I'm gonna leave the top right here with no glue. Okay. Let's put the dog down. So I hope you guys are really enjoying my new series. I have been enjoying it. It's so fun to just relax and collage with these fun images. Oh my god, I just ripped off his ear. It's alright, we'll piece them back together. So this month has been super, super busy for me with collabs and collage swaps and such. But I'm really aiming to try to do these videos at least twice a month. Since we're not going to see the bottom of this, I'm going to trim some of that off. Save that for something else. So next month, I am participating in a collaboration hosted by Hazel and Naka Designs, and that's Masterboard Madness. So I'm going to have more about that coming up in March. I have one day. It's a month-long collaboration, and I'm going to be having one of those days for me. I like that there. And then I plan on doing at least, let me glue this down now, at least maybe 2 glue book videos next month in March. I think her head can cover that. There's gonna be a little bit of white peeking through right there, but I don't mind that. Just move it over a little bit though. Let's glue this one down, and then we'll do the head. I do want to make some more paper dolls too. I had a lot of fun making for a challenge, Paper Doll Project 2025, hosted by Jen as Sassy Southern NC Girl. Been having a lot of fun doing that, so I want to do another paper doll project. I think I might be doing that in March as well. Oh, I'm loving this so far. It's like they're outside at the lake, maybe having a lake day, her and her pet. You know, there's always beautiful flowers near the lake. And let's just pretend that's like her little cabana table or something. Her little pavilion table. Oh, that is so cute. Okay, maybe let's see if we could find some sayings. What are these little peoples? Yeah, these are little mini people. What's this? Fodder? Maybe some fodder right here. Or maybe right. Oops. Put the fodder down here. I like it right there. I love this collage fodder they made. It's so fun to add to this glue book, and also I added some to some embellishments I made, like little mini envelopes. They looked really good on those. Or probably look super cute on like journaling cards. If I don't rip it. There we go. Be gentle, Jen. Let's see. Back to school. Maybe not that. Star report. No. What does this say? The music soft, the lights low, drink Kahlua, Black Russian. Maybe this one. Let's see what else. What is this one? Oh, that's a tall lady. We have martini class. Let's just say back to school Saturday. Okay, so I'm not seeing a big... No, I don't want to put that. I think I'm just going to use this one. Okay, I'm a cheat. Let's look in here. Oh, I like this one. Oops. Express yourself. Or... No, not country living. Let's see. I think I like that. It's too big though. We could break it up. I think that one will work with this. I'll just toss all this back in real quick. Alright. Try to get this as straight as possible. Trim off some of that. Let's see, we could do what do you heart most? I don't like having extra white. About being an it girl. I put about being together. And then we'll put it girl right here. Or maybe put it down here under Coca-Cola. There we go. I like that. Maybe I'll put this here. I'll put that one there. We even slant them. All right. I love how this page came together. There we go. Let's not make it so straight, right? Maybe this one comes this way. Some of this. I'll put the It Girl down here. And there we go, you guys. Let me save the rest of these to go back in my little bin. Get a good shot of this page. I love how it came out. Super cute. And you see how fast it came together, and I was just throwing things together today, and I really love it. Thank you guys for joining me for this episode, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.